Honestly, not a bad deal to wake up at 1 o'clock in the midnight and travel 400 kilometers to see this beautiful dawn light. I and my dog woke up at 1 o'clock and started our journey towards southern borders of United Arab Emirates. This place is called Liwa. We were alone in the vast Arabian desert, finding a good composition to set up my tripod and take a picture. However, Ansel Adams says the landscape photography is a supreme test of photographer and often supreme disappointment. This desert amazes me whenever I come here. Gorgeous. Look at the dunes, the curves, very soft sand. The temperature is here at the moment 10 degrees Celsius, and it's a beautiful morning. So beautiful. Oh man. So beautiful. Baby? Here's my best friend. Hey. Hey Sheru. Hey, good morning. Good morning. This place is really rich in terms of compositions. There are so many beautiful curves. I'm just waiting for the sun to come up and hit the dunes, so I'll get very beautiful shadow on these dunes. At the moment my camera setting is f11, shutter speed is 20 and ISO is obviously 100. But I think I'll have to change my aperture and the shutter speed according to the light conditions. I'm shooting it on manual mode, so I don't want my focus to be shifted. At the moment this is the setting. In terms of compositions, I am having this beautiful curve here in the foreground, then there is another dune on the right side, and there is another dune on the back side. So in this composition I'm shooting in a very tight frame, yeah. So in this tight frame I'm having three beautiful dunes and the curves. So let's see that how the light condition is for this composition. I'm expecting very good shadows here, so let's wait for the sun. By the time I'll just set the focus again and make sure that everything is sharp and crispy. So yes, focus is set. Let's click the picture. I think I need more. I need more sunlight there. Okay, let me tell you more about this place. That's a vast Arabian desert. The name of this place is Liwa. In other words, it's called empty quarter, and in Arabic it's called Rabal Khali. So this is the desert which goes all the way to Saudi Arabia. Basically, with the place where I'm standing here, that's close to Saudi Arabia border. That's the northern border of United Arab Emirates. I haven't seen any clean desert as the Liwa is. There are no dead bushes at all. It's very neat and clean and beautiful curves. I'm really happy to be here early in the morning, you know. Yeah, the sun is there, but unfortunately there is no flare, what I can see there. We have tried a lot. Uh, the flare comes wherever the clarity is, but in United Arab Emirates we don't have much clarity. It's more of like do you call the hazy things, or the misty mornings. So yes, the sun is there. But where my composition is, I believe I need more time. But I can see some light there. We'll try many compositions. I think I'll have only 30 to 40 minutes to shoot, because yes, the important thing to shoot the desert dunes, you need horizontal light, not a vertical light. When the sun comes up at the 90-degree, like it gives the light, the vertical light, and you cannot get the shadows like in the vertical light. So all you need is to shoot the desert dunes either in the early morning, right after the sunrise, or before the sunset. So in that case you'll have the horizontal light to get some shadows on the dunes. The other thing which I would like to mention here, that I have shot these dunes like many times, and I have you can say that I think up to uh, 1 terabyte data of these desert dunes. But all of them are with wide frame. So this time I'm shooting with my 24-70 lens, and I'm this at the moment my focal length is 50, the 50 millimeter. So yes, that I wanted to mention, that this time I'm shooting with very tight frames. Beautiful. Exactly, if you can see there, uh, my the dune which is in my foreground, that is covered. Half of the dune is with the sunlight, and half of the dune is with the shadow. So that will be really fun to play in the post processing with the shadow and lights. Super. Okay, yes, I am happy with this. Since the time is, as I said earlier, that I need the horizontal light, this composition, I think I'm done with this composition, so I'll have to change my camera and find another composition to take some more pictures, and later we will see that what's best in the processing. Okay, so let's jump to another composition quickly and find another composition, like I don't know where I can get. Okay, let me switch my camera to the widest. Yeah, I think that's more bright now. Okay. Okay, carrying two tripods, walking on the dunes, it's really hard. I'm really very sorry if I'm not in focus. Okay. I need to get a point and shoot camera, which I don't have at the moment. Yes, I think that would be the Okay, I think yes, that's the best place to stay. Sorry guys, again if I'm not in focus. Okay. Okay, so here is my second composition. I'll go very quickly because if I lose the horizontal light, then it will be useless for me to shoot. So I need to go quickly. Like if you guys have any question which I didn't mention here, if any information, if you need any information, please leave a comment below. Okay, I'm not explaining much about this composition and the camera setting which I have changed as per the light because I'm running out of time. As I mentioned earlier that I need the horizontal light to shoot. So I need to take maximum images when the light is horizontal. If when the sun comes up around up to 45 degree, I won't be able to shoot and get some this beautiful light and the shadows on the dunes, you know. So I do apologize, and if you have any question about the composition, the lights, the shadows, the dunes, like how to shoot, please leave a comment below. I will be more than happy to answer you guys. Oh man. Okay, yes. Now this is the widest frame. Now I have another composition in front of me. Okay, let me show you guys there. What's there? This side. Yeah. If you see this side, this is the wide frame. Okay, so let's play with this composition. Okay. Hey Amar, you are the man. Yes. Oh man. Beautiful. This side my f is 16, shutter speed is 30 and ISO is 100. Now I would like to take some pictures handheld as I need to go more close. Oops. That's the problem in vlogging, you know. You don't have a person to shoot. Now this is the composition. So I am on the way back to car. The car is parked on the main road and I walked into the desert. I don't need the jacket anymore. That's the beauty of United Arab Emirates. The weather gets changed, you know, in minutes. As I came like 1 hour back, the jacket was needed, but this time the jacket is there. If you can see, yeah. Okay. And yeah, the shoot was really good. I'm happy with the pictures I have taken. We'll transfer the pictures on computer and see that what's there. You know, sometimes what happens that the camera screen shows you very beautiful picture when you transfer the picture and the computer, especially on Mac, and it gives you the real results and the colors, you know. But overall it was good. In the morning it was really beautiful. I got some really good shots in the morning. Those shots are obviously not the photographs, but the video shots which will be added into my vlog. Yeah. Oh, beauty. Honestly, this blue sky, This blue sky is only for 2 or 3 months here, not more than that. The blue sky, see the contrast here, like I'm filming with my phone. That's Nova 3, yeah, Huawei Nova 3. See the contrast, the yellow and bluish, the blue sky and the golden sand. Hey, you need a lot of power to walk on the desert dunes. Ah. Where's my dog? He's really happy, here. Oh. So again, guys, if you have any question about today's vlog, please feel free to ask and let me know that how do you find this place. Many of you are not photographers, I know that, but the way I film my vlogs, my intention is always to show you the natural beauty, It's not about the photography. I am a photographer by profession, so obviously I don't miss a chance whenever I get. But the way I film, my vlogs are for everyone to see the natural beauty, whoever is in love with nature. Okay, so follow me on my Instagram as well. Yeah, the very important thing which I forgot to mention, I will leave the Flickr link in the description box below. My all of landscape photography is posted there. I prefer Flickr because the Flickr is the only photo sharing platform which allows you to post the maximum quality. The other platforms like the Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, you cannot post the actual quality of image there. So the Flickr is the only platform which allows you to post the maximum, whatever the size is, regardless of any size. So I prefer posting my images on Flickr, and all of my landscape photography work is there. I'm getting down. Oh, sorry for the shaky footage, guys. I'm filming with my phone. It doesn't have the image stabilizer built in, so apologize again. Okay, yeah, I'm almost there. That's the road. My car, I can see my car there. I will pack up. So yes, please do visit my Flickr. The link will be given below in the description, and the picture will be displayed at the end of this video. Goodbye. Yeah. Hey boy, come here. Come. Go home.